Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to get on our math program called Pearson Easy Bridge. So you're going to log into your child's portal. I have all of our portals in Miss Nuff's room or up here. They should be saved up here if you ever get out of it. But you're going to log in. I'm going to log into I'm going to log into Tasia's portal. So that way you guys can see what it looks like. Here's Pearson Easy Bridge. If it doesn't show up in your favorites, you might have to go to all apps and then just start typing in Pearson and it shows up right there. So you're gonna click on Pearson. Okay, and then over here, Pearson Realize. And then right here is going to be the assignment. So if there's anything extra up here, just ignore all of this. What you guys are going to be looking for, it should be right here. I was messing with hers, but you're going to look for 9-1. Hers I was looking at earlier, so hers is in progress, but it should be in the not started yet. But if you have opened it up, it'll be in the in progress. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to click right here. This is going to bring us into our lesson for the day. So 9-1 is for day 1. Okay, so our lesson is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less. So there's a bunch of options right here. The ones that are the most important is going to be, I'm going to run you through the visual learning, the guided practice we'll do together, and then the independent practice the students can do on their own. I also sent these workbook pages home with you in your Chromebook pack, so you might have them paper and pencil. If you do, you can use that instead of the online one. But we're going to go ahead. Visual learning is very important. We're going to watch the video first. So here we go.
Show 1 more. 1 more than 25 is 26. When you add 1 to 25, the ones digit changes because 1 more is added. The digit in the ones place is 1 more than before. The number of tens does not change. Show 1 less. 1 less than 25 is 24. When you take away 1 from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Select your answer.
So remember, these tall towers are 10 cubes in all. And then these ones on their own, these are your ones. So here are your tens, here are your ones. So they took away from the ones place.
The ones digit changes because 1 is taken away. The digit in the ones place is 1 less than before. The number of tens does not change. Show 10 more.
10 more than 25 is 35.
When you add 10 to 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
So when you're doing 10 more, you're going to add another tall tower of 10. So you're actually adding 10 to your number. And you can click right here if you want and try it. So here's 25. If I add 10 more to 25, it turns it into 35. 3 groups of 10. And then your 5 ones makes the number 35.
The tens digit changes because 1 more 10 is added. The digit in the tens place is 1 more than before. The number of ones does not change. Show 10 less. 10 less than 25 is 15. When you take 10 away from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change? The tens digit changes because 1 10 is taken away. The digit in the tens place is 1 less than before. The number of ones does not change. Now you know how to show 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less.
All right, so after watching the video, I'm going to click down here for next. This is the convince me. You guys, this is extra practice. If you want to do that, you can. I'm going to go ahead and go next again, and I'm going to go to the guided practice. So here, if you click on this stamper right here and you click on the cubes, you can have tens and ones stamps that you can use to help you practice. So I'm going to go ahead and build the number 45. So there's 4 groups of 10 in the number 45, and then there's 5 ones. Let me grab my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have built the number 45. So now it asks for 1 more than 45. So I already have my ones cube, so I'm just going to go ahead and stamp 1 more. So 1 more than 45 is 46. I have 4 groups of 10 and 6 ones makes the number 46. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase that 1 that I just added, and I'm going to go back to my 45. Okay, so I have 4 groups of 10 and 5 ones, so 45. So now it says 1 less than 45. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase one of those cubes for 1 less. So 1 less than 45 is 44. Okay, 4 groups of 10, 4 ones makes the number 44. Now, I need to know 10 more than 45. So I got to build my 45 again before I do my 10 more. So let me get and add that ones cube back. Okay, so now I have my 45, but now I need 10 more. So I need to go back to my stamper and get my tens cubes. So 10 more than 45. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp 45. So 10 more. So now we have 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10. And then I still have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tens, 5 ones makes the number 55. Okay. All right. So 10 more than 45 is 55. Now, I need to go back to that 45, so let me get rid of that 10 that I just added. I got my 4 groups of 10 and my 5 ones. Now I need to do 10 less than 45. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase a 10. Okay, so 10 less than 45 is 35. 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones makes the number 35. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete all of that. Let's move on to 17. So the first thing I need to do is build the number 17. So 17 is 1 group of 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 17. Now the first question says 1 more than 17. So I need to get my stamper back out and I need to get my ones cube. 1 more than 17 is 18. 1 group of 10 and 8 ones makes the number 18. Okay, now I need to go back. You always go back to the number that you're starting with. Go back to 17. I've got my 17 now. Now it says 1 less than 17. Okay, so I need to take away another cube. So 1 less than 17 is, so I have 1 group of 10, and now I have only 6 ones. So 1 less than 17 is the number 16. Okay, now we got to go to the next question. 10 more than 17. Well, I got to put my 17 back. Okay, so I got 17. But now I need to add 10 more. So let me go ahead and stamp another 10. There's 10 more. Okay, so now we have 2 groups of 10. And then I still have my 7 ones. So 10 more than 17 is 27. Okay, now I need to go back, get that one out of here. Okay, so here we go. I'm starting with 17 again. Now it says 10 less than 17. So I need to take away my group of 10. So 10 less. 10 less is, oh, there's 0, no 10s, but we still have our 7 ones. So 10 less than 17 is the number 7. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. You guys, I want you guys to try the independent practice on your own, okay? If you have the paper, you can do the paper version. If you need to, you can draw out your 10s and 1s. If using the stamper is too hard, I encourage you to try to draw out your 10s and 1s. Go ahead and do the independent practice. When you're done, make sure you turn it in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. And I'm going to show you where your quick check is, okay? So make sure when you're done, like I said, turn it in so you can get credit for doing it. You're going to go back out. And now we're going to do quick check 9-1. So I want you to click on that. Click right here. There's two easy questions. Okay, here's question 1 and question 2. Go ahead and do the 2 questions. And when you're done, yours should say answered on it, but you're going to submit the test, okay? All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks.